Welcome back, scholars. Hey, let's go over this problem to make sure we understood it. Let's go back over here. I'm going to highlight some of the key things that I think that we needed to know on here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to look at is they designed two flower beds. Heidi's flower bed was 5 feet long by 3 feet. So what I would do is I would highlight this on my paper, 5 feet long and 3 feet wide, because that gives me length times width so far. So the next thing is that Andrew's flower bed was the same length. So the same length will be what I'll be highlighting right here. It's 5 feet long, but twice as wide. So if it's twice as wide, what do we need to do? Guys, I'm going to pause the video in 3, 2, 1, so you can tell me what we're going to be doing. Excellent. Yes, we are going to be multiplying. And we multiplied twice is usually 2. 2 times 3, because that's what we're going to have to do to get twice as wide here. Calculate how many cubic feet of soil they need to buy to have soil to the depth of 2 feet in both. Oh, key word, both flower beds. So we're probably going to have to do some adding to get that done. But the height is 2 feet. Remember, that is 2 feet. So let's go to paperwork. Let's see how to get the answer here. So Heidi's flower bed is 5 feet length, 3 feet in width, and 2 feet high. So guys, I'm going to pause right here. I'm going to take 5 times 3 equals 15, and then times 2 will give me Heidi's cubic feet, which will be excellent. Yes, way to go. 30 cubic feet. All right. So now we're going to do Andrew's. He has the same length. However, if you remember, they said he had 2 times 3, twice the width. And then it equals the same depth or height. So I put the 2 times 3 in parentheses because that's not the complete answer. That equals 6. So now I'm going to take 5 times 6 equals 30 times 2 equals 60 cubic feet. All right, so I got the answers there. Does that answer the question we needed to answer? I'm going to pause the video in 3, 2, 1. Did that answer calculate how many cubic feet of soil they needed to buy to have soil to a depth of 2 feet in the flower bed? No, it did not. You were correct. Way to go, students. Yes, way to go, scholars. What we have to do, as I said, is we got to combine the flower beds. So that's 30 cubic feet plus 60 cubic feet. And that gives me 90. Am I done with that? Is that the correct answer? 90. Ah, man, you are right. We have to put the units cubic feet. Way to go, guys. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Very proud of y'all. That is some good work. All right, let's go ahead and get back to the slides here and go to our vocabulary. Okay, our vocabulary is going to be area. Area is the amount of space inside a boundary. It's usually flat. It's usually two-dimensional. It's like this post-it right here. This is the length and this is the height. It's two-dimension, okay? Length and width. It was length and width, okay? So we can get the area of that. And then a unit square. A unit square is something that measures 1 unit on each side. So that would look very similar to this. 1 And we know that if this is 1, all sides are going to be 1. So it's a unit square. Excellent. Let's continue. Oh, I'm going to ask for a brave scholar to read the objective. Pausing in 3, 2, 1, pause. Excellent, excellent, excellent. A scholar will be able to find the area of rectangles by drawing and using multiplication. All right, I'm going to be pausing the video here. Going to see you in the next slide in 3, 2, 1.